In this lesson, we will see two words that are written differently but pronounced the same way. Champ, champ. So let's start with the first one, champ, with two examples. Les enfants jouent joyeusement dans le champ. Les enfants jouent joyeusement dans le champ. So champ is a noun and it's a masculine noun. Le champ. J'adore me promener dans les champs avec mon chien. J'adore me promener dans les champs avec mon chien. So as you can see here, it's the plural form, les champs, with the S in the end, but it's still the same pronunciation because we don't pronounce the final S. Les champs, so it can be the singular, le champ, or then les champs, it will be the same pronunciation. So let's have a look at the second one with two examples. Je me réveille avec le chant des oiseaux. Je me réveille avec le chant des oiseaux. So chant, it's a noun and it's a masculine noun. Le chant. Pendant la célébration, tout le monde s'est joint au chant de l'hymne national. Pendant la célébration, tout le monde s'est joint au chant de l'hymne national. So don't forget that for this one too, it could be the plural form with the S and it would be pronounced exactly the same way. So let's recap this one. Le chant, un chant, the first one, so it's a noun and it's masculine. The second one is a noun too and it's masculine too. Le chant, un chant.